Good morning. Welcome to Roosevelt School News.
Today is Monday, May 1st.
My name is Risha.
Mine's Victoria.
And my name's Layla.
Will everybody please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all.
Here are today's announcements.
There are no clubs today due to a teacher's meeting.
Today's lunch is boneless chicken wings. In honor of Autism Awareness Month, we had an assembly for all students.
Mr. Callaghy came and shared all his experiences with them.
What do you like about the presentation that Mr. Callaghy did?
It's nice to know that kids with autism on the autism spectrum are still treated like regular children always are, and people, because they still deserve the same type of respect that people who don't have autism do.
How do you feel about the autism spectrum?
I think that autism is like a gift that you're born with, and it's very special.
How do you feel about the presentation?
It was really good and really well brought together.
Why should you be kind to people with autism?
You should be kind to people with autism because in some types of autism they have difficulty with senses.
How do you feel about Mr. Callaghy's presentation about autism?
I think he was brave enough to announce that his daughter having autism, and he was confident about speaking and telling everyone in 5th and 6th grade about his daughter and stuff, and I think it was really nice that he announced it like that.
How do you feel about autism?
We should all be kind to each other and, support them.
How do you feel about autism, and have you met anyone with autism?
So as a teacher, I am always looking for ways to learn, and I am really thankful to Mr. Callaghy for having that assembly because it's going to help me learn more about autism and how to teach students with autism.
How did you feel about the Autism Assembly?
I really liked it. I think Mr. Callaghy's daughter was pretty nice.
How did you feel about the Autism Assembly?
I feel like it was good for kids to learn about autism, especially because it's all around the world and kids need to know about this stuff.
Last week we asked you what your favorite hobby was. Rashith has the results.
And in 5th place, we have cooking. And in 4th place, we have traveling. And in 3rd place, we have drawing/painting. And in 2nd place, we have sports. And in 1st place, gaming.
Last week we had the TRS Spring Concert.
The TRS Choir, Bell Chorus, and Dance Club all took part in it.
Great Bell Choir. Big bow. Thank you.
What did you think of the spring concert?
I think it was really good that the people who were producing it were really good. They did a really good job. The dancers knew what they were doing. They knew how to get into place. It made it feel like it was really well prepared, and it was a really good show.
What role did you play in the spring concert?
I was in the bell choir.
How do you think it went?
It
It went pretty well, especially the second song. It was kind of fast, and so I had to play some key parts. But all in all, it went really smooth. The chorus did good, and the dance did really well.
What role did you play?
Dance member.
What was the hardest part for you?
The hardest part was moving my leg since I injured my leg before the dance.
How do you think the show went?
I thought it went very well. The kids worked really hard since January, every morning, early in the morning, to get there, and it all really came together, especially this last couple of weeks. And I'm so proud of them, and I hope we get to do this again next year. It's going to be great.
Ms. Mackey, how do you think the show went?
I think the show went way better than I could have ever even imagined. Everyone impressed the heck out of me. Everyone came to practices ready to work. Everyone remembered their spots. Everyone remembered to smile on stage, and I'm so happy of everyone.
Thank
so
you.
proud of everyone.
Yes.
Last week, the 5th grade went on a field trip to medieval times.
Let's check out the pictures.
Thanks for
Watching.
Bye.